Good morning, class. Today you will take a history test. Make sure that you will make use of all your knowledge on this test or you will get under arrest, and this is not even a joke. I will hand over the tests. The student who fails this test will get arrested by the cops.
Shit. If I don't get an A+, then I will get under arrest.
What kind of punishment is this? Getting arrested over an F- grade?
This is ridiculous. Miss Martin must be kidding.
I am not kidding you, moron. Now I'm gonna hand over the tests. Make sure none of you will fail.
Okay, teacher. Keep your horses, please.
Now I am gonna teleport back to the desk. Complete your tests or you will get F- grades.
I will look at the questions. Well, I don't know how did the World War II look like when it happened, so I'm gonna draw a chicken farm there. Ha 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 xd. Ha 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 xd. I drew a chicken farm as the answer to the second question because I don't know how did the World War II look like.
I hope you all finished your tests.
Yes, we finished the test.
I'm gonna take all of them. I expect the best performance from all of you. The student who gets an F- will also get arrested. Now let's take a look at Caillou's test sheet. Caillou got an A+. Gina also got an A+ grade. Congratulations. Classic Caillou. You failed the test. Almost all your answers are wrong. First you drew a chicken farm to the question, how did the World War II look like? Then at the are you stupid? Question you selected no as the answer. And this answer is false. That's it, Classic Caillou. There's a surprise for you after the school day.
Shit fuck ass bitch. I failed the test, which means I'm gonna get arrested.
Classic Caillou. You are under arrest for failing the history test. We will go to the local police station. Too bad that you will suffer here forever. This is your cell, Classic Caillou. You will stay here for 191127730515971530. Centuries.